He's just plain Mr Bob Brown now, but his passion for the environment and hot-button social issues remains. National Affairs Editor Paul Bongiorno was there when the Greens pioneer formally ended his political career.
The tiny audience at his final appearance as a senator couldn't blunt the optimism.
Don't fear that a small group of people can't change the way the world works.
The environment crusader and Greens party icon cut his teeth saving the mighty Franklin in the early 80s. Last night, the party faithful packed Leichhardt Town Hall, his gospel of conservation, social justice and tolerance resonating in the inner suburbs of our major cities.
We've got a party room of 10 of us now.
But this morning on 10's breakfast, there were no regrets. A burden's been lifted.
You get that floating feeling.
Unfinished business, legalising assisted suicide for the terminally ill.
I think people should be able to die with dignity.
He says it's inevitable. Also unstoppable, marriage equality.
I don't understand why Julia Gillard and Tony Abbott don't get it.
The PM joining the fight.
I've dealt with this publicly on many occasions.
He's out of Parliament, but not out of activism. Bob Brown has 2 books on the go, a foundation to back green causes and a commitment to keep campaigning to save endangered environments. He's mightily encouraged the opinion polls for the Greens have lifted since he quit as leader.
We're not there to keep the bastards honest. We're there to replace them.
To great applause, he says he won't give up till they carry him off in a box. Paul Bongiorno, 10 News.